to see what is happening online. And for that, we head on over to the Content Center where Lauren Vizza has the latest trending video.
Yes, I hear this video is exploding with laughs. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning, Steve. And you're exactly right. This is sort of a what not to do this weekend if you're cooking for Valentine's Day. This video centers in on a chef named Steve who decided to try fried gnocchi. Gnocchi is these little tiny balls of potato goodness that you do not usually boil. And he decided to drop them in. And the first time they didn't work so well. They kind of overcooked, so he decided to turn up the heat. And he got a very surprising side. He took them out, started taking them out of the bowl, out of the strainer, and they started exploding everywhere. Yeah, and so that's just a little hint, you know, heads up if you're cooking this weekend and you want to be fancy and try something. But this is, you know, also having a lot of fun in the kitchen. I thought it was hysterical because this is what it looks like when I try something.
Yeah, wow.
Oh, that's crazy.
So even once they come out of the boiling pot, they're just flying everywhere.
Right, and they're supposed to like puff up a little bit, but not quite that much. That's a little too much.
How fun. I think that would make a Valentine's dinner pretty exciting.
It would make a great story.
It'd make a blast for the couple, huh?
I don't think it's an accident. His name is Steve.
Oh.
Well, see, I'm going to one-up this
throwing
guy.
them.
Yeah, shots fired over here.
Day 2.
I think the Valentine's Day gift is when I don't cook for you. That's a gift right there.
Yeah, right there. There you go.
All right. Thanks so much, Lauren.
Thank you, Lauren. And we want to wish a terrific